We use lots of percussive instruments in our classes for the little ones to play with and explore sound. Eggs are fantastic because you can make lots of sounds with each egg. You can shake it like this, or like this, or if you hold it nice and tight. And they can also feel the shakers inside moving. Here's a couple of songs that we do. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake up high. Shake down low. Shake up high. And stop. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. And stop. If you don't have shaker eggs at home, you could make your own or use bells. Bells work brilliantly using the same songs.